Hey guys, my name is Kane Hensley. I am the PE teacher at Hope Schools in Hope, Kansas. School District USD 481, Rural Vista. I am the head junior high football coach, and I am also the head high school girls basketball coach. Someone that has influenced me the most throughout my life has been my mom. She showed me the importance of hard work and the importance of building positive relationships with those around you. Personality test, I do agree with. It showed 94% emotionally stable, 87% agreeableness, and 87% conscientious. I believe that I am very agreeable with others, almost too much. I allow others kind of to influence me and some of my decisions that I make, and I'm also very conscientious of those around me. As the leadership, I have the democratic leadership theory and also the servant leadership theory. I value the opinion of others, and I always put those opinions together to form the best solution. And the servant leadership, I feel that trust and building relationships with the employee and the employers is very, very important. I've learned from coaching high school girls that when you allow the girls to kind of put some of their input into the basketball program, it seems to increase their effort that they give towards that program. I hope to get to know you all a little bit better, and good luck this semester.